heapq.merge silently ignores unsorted inputs, producing garbage output without raising a single error. You'll spend hours debugging before realizing the fix is trivial. Imports the Python standard library heapq module, which provides functions for working with heap-based priority queues and merging sorted iterables. Creates a list named containing the integers 3, 1, and 4 in that order. These values are not sorted initially. Creates a list named b containing the integers 2 and 5 in that order. These values are also not sorted initially. Calls heapq.merge with the unsorted lists a and b as arguments. The heapq.merge function expects sorted inputs, but will process them in a way that produces the correct merged sorted output when both inputs are treated as is. However, since neither list is sorted, the result reflects merging their elements in the order they appear only if they were already sorted. In practice, heapq.merge performs a merge of multiple sorted iterables, so passing unsorted lists yields undefined ordering behavior relative to true sorting. The resulting iterator is immediately converted into a list and stored in result. Outputs the string result followed by the contents of the result variable, which holds the list produced from heap.merge. This line displays what the merge operation yielded. Concatenates lists A and B using the plus operator. Applies Python's built-in sorted function to produce a fully sorted list of all elements from both inputs. Then prints the string expected followed by sorted text and that final sorted list. Always sort inputs before heapq.merge, or use sorted heap.merge *args. Subscribe for daily coding videos.